What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to break down step by step how you can start trading futures, and I'm going to kind of go into my strategy a little bit and exactly how it works. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Colt. I've been trading for the past 10 years and I have made this YouTube channel to help you guys become better traders. So if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button below. I have a ton of other videos on my channel that you guys can check out as well. I also am on Instagram, so if you guys could pause this video, go check out my Instagram, shoot me a follow, and if you need help with your trading, I do one-on-one mentorship. You guys can shoot me a DM with anything that you guys need help with. Now, without further ado, let's get in my computer and let's make some money. Before we start, guys, this is my top program. It's rorfx.com, or there should be a link in the description. But this is the only program that I am currently actually promoting right now. This is everything that you guys are going to get. And if you guys go and click buy now, instead of it being 5K, I'm going to give you guys a discount right now that will give you 50% off. But this discount is only valid right now for you watching this video. So if you want to take action, you want to level up your trading and work more closely with me, definitely make the investment in yourself. If you go to promo code and type in 50, click apply, it'll make it 2,500. And if that's still too much for you and you can't pay that in full, I have this company Klarna that I work with that has all these payment options that you can use. So guys, it's up to you whether you want to join that or not. So the first thing that we need to do, if you guys haven't already, you need to go to tradeovate.com. And Tradeovate is the broker that we are going to be using to trade on. So if you guys don't know what a broker basically is like a bank account. This is where the money that you trade with is going to be stored. So the first thing that you need to do is go to open an account. After you do that, you'll sign up with all your information, use the correct information, address and everything. And when you are signing up, it's going to ask you at some point if you are a professional or non-professional. You guys are not professionals. I am not a professional trader. So when you're signing up, make sure that you guys put that you're a non-professional. Now, after you sign up, you should be able to log into your backend, and there's two things that you guys need to do. The first thing is you need to go to add-ons and you need to get the TradingView subscription. It's $9 every single month, pretty much $10 every single month. And you guys need this because when we're trading, our Tradeovate account, the broker, is going to actually sync with TradingView, because TradingView, I'll go to it in a second. TradingView is like our trading platform where we're going to do all of our trading. So first subscription you need is the TradingView. Then you need to go to the subscriptions tab right here, and you guys need to get the market data. And you need to subscribe to SIM. So the market data that they have, it should be $12, and then you'll need to get the CME bundle, which is also $12. So in total, you're going to be paying like what, $35, $40 every single month just to have proper data, the subscriptions and add-ons. And this is very, very important. You guys need to have this to ensure that you guys can actually trade properly. So once you get the subscriptions and the add-on, you're then going to go to tradingview.com. Now, on the bottom of TradingView, once you get to a chart and you have your account pulled up, you're going to go to Trading Panel. And what you're going to do is click where it says Tradeovate. And then it will give you a login, or it will give you a page where it'll ask for your login details. The same login details that you made for Tradeovate are going to be the login details that you are going to use to log into on TradingView. Now, like I said, Tradeovate, that's our trading platform, or Tradeovate, that is our broker. That's where we're going to have our money stored in everything. Then, TradingView, this is our trading platform. So once you connect your broker Tradeovate, you're going to go to your watch list right here, and you want to go to the plus sign. Now, you should have the same Tradeovate icon. It should look like this on yours. You want to click that. Now you have the ability to go through and add any asset that you guys want. With me, I like to trade the E-mini NASDAQ, which is the top 100 tech companies in America. Then we have the S&P 500, top 500 companies in America. Then we also have the E-mini Dow Jones. US 30 is also what it's referred or known as. So those are the three assets that I only focus on when I'm trading. You guys can see we're on the S&P 500 right now. Looks like good shorts are in play. Then we have the Dow Jones right here. And then we have the NASDAQ. Now, when we're looking at these three asset classes, these are indexes. They're very volatile. You guys need to be careful and you need to understand exactly what you're doing. So I don't think that I really want to go like into my strategy too in depth, but I want to show you guys how to actually like enter a trade properly. So usually when you're looking at the charts, what you would do is you would set up a position. On the left side of your screen, it'll say forecasting and measurement tools. Long position is for a buy, short position is for a sell. So ideally, let's say that we're going to go sell right here. We expect price to come back into this fair value gap right here. Stops are going to be up here. And our take profit, we're just going to aim for these previous lows right down here. Okay, so ideally, instead of you going and clicking buy or sell with this button right here, what you could do is you could click the position, create limit order, and then look at this. I can go and change my contract size and everything is already set up on my chart as you guys can see. So watch, if I use 5 units, if I sell right here at this white line with 5 units or 5 contracts, I'm going to risk losing $2,000 if it hits my stop loss, but I could potentially make $6,000. So look, if I change it to 4, my risk is different now. My reward is different now. So when you guys are trading, it's really cool because on this trading panel, if you look down here, it will automatically sync your account and it will tell you the amount that you're risking on this specific trade right here. So if I were to sell this trade right now, which is right at my entry, I would be risking 0.97% of my account, almost 1%, which you guys should be risking 1 to 3% of your account every single time that you're trading. And then I'm going to make almost 3%. So right here, you can see risk to reward ratio 3.08. So my take profit from this white line to this red line, our stop loss, my take profit is 3 times the size from my entry to my stop loss. So that's what you guys want. You want really high risk to reward ratios where your take profit is bigger than your stop loss. So you have a higher probability. So I could potentially put my sell limit right here. I have my sell limit with 3 contracts, and that's how I entered the trade. Now you guys also could go to market right here. You can change it to buy or sell at the top, whatever you want to do, and then you could click sell. You do want to turn on your take profit and stop loss, and you can change these parameters. But the way that I gave you a second ago, guys, like this is the best way to do it. Just right click, create limit order, put in the units that you want to risk, and boom, you'll have it be set up right here. So you can see like I am now in this trade right here. And this actually was a setup that I was looking to take. This could be a really, really nice trade right here. So trade is now active. I'm currently in profit of like $60, $15, and it's going to fluctuate. The thing that I like about this is instead of me sitting here all day long watching the markets, I already have my stop loss and take profit set. What else is there for me to do? I'm not going to be able to see the outcome of this trade until it is done. So what you guys could also do is when you enter a trade and you have your stop loss and take profit set, you can go and add an alert. So where the value, that's where you would put your stop loss and your take profit, and you would have to create 2 different alerts. You can change the message, notifications, really, really simple to do it. So that's how you guys set up Tradeovate, link it to TradingView. Okay, one more thing now too. So let's go into something very, very important. Your account size is going to play a very big part when you guys are trading. So we have the E-mini NASDAQ, but then we also have the micro E-mini NASDAQ. So let me add this to my chart and I will show you guys right now. So you guys see how it says 2 contracts right here or 3 contracts right here. I'm 3 contracts deep into this trade. On the micro E-mini, if I were to do 3 contracts, look at the difference. So it's way less. So 30 contracts on the micro E-mini is equivalent to 3 contracts on the NASDAQ E-mini. So if you guys have a smaller trading account with a couple $1,000s, you're most likely going to be trading on the micro E-minis contracts, not the E-minis itself. So you guys need to keep that in mind. That's pretty much all I have, guys. Once you set up your accounts and everything, you should be good. You can start trading. I would recommend trading on a simulation or demo account just for the time being. Really get to understand things. And like I said, if you guys are new to my channel, I have been dropping a lot of videos lately, just dropping so much value, not really wanting anything in return. I'm just putting everything out there. So if you guys are smart, I would stop looking at the videos on the right side of the screen that say suggested video, watch this one or that one from a different trader. You guys should be focused on one person when you're trading, because you're going to overcomplicate things and you're going to get very congested with all this knowledge if you're looking at this person's strategy and this person and this person and this person. Focus on one individual, whether that's me or someone else. And you guys need to be able to see, maybe you guys don't like the way that I look, maybe you think I'm ugly, or you don't like the way that I talk, and that's a big thing. Tonality is very big. There's some people that when we hear their voice, we're like, oh, I don't want to even hear that voice anymore, don't talk. So at the end of the day, guys, you need to make that decision on who you want your mentor to be and move on from there. But guys, I appreciate you all coming on and watching this video, giving me your time. It does mean a lot, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace, guys. Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.